Hi guys, Robin here with WTI, and I'm not just here trying to think I'm cool wearing sunglasses inside. I want to talk to you about these amazing Jefoo Polarized sunglasses. Now these are designed to be used as a more active person, so I personally bought them for running, but I love the fact that I can use them as casual sunglasses as well. They are super amazing and they stay on your face and do not budge, which is exactly what I want when I am out and about running. The last thing I want is like sunglasses sliding down my nose, which I have had previously. These ones are amazing because they do have the grips inside, so you can see here the black little rubberized sections that really hold on nicely, and they also have them on the sides here, so that is a huge plus. I have these amazing polarized red ones with the reflective lens as well. They are so light, you barely even know you're wearing them. So Jefoo definitely don't leave you hanging as well. It comes with this zippered case, also the sunglasses bag, and an additional wipe as well. So it is really cool. I like the little details they've gone to just by making like a geometric shape, so it's not a standard case as well. I absolutely love everything about this, and I really want to buy all the glasses in all the colors, but that's just my point of view.